Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel called Engineering Beyond Blueprint. In this today's segment, I am covering there is one more tool which we are talking about as a part of career counseling, right? So most of our working profession or college graduate, they want to see where they want to grow as a career aspirant, right? So given that conceptualize, I've been kind of developed one more tool called Engineering Beyond Blueprint as a career intelligence. So why do we call as a career intelligence? If any fresh college graduate, if they onboard on this portal and they want to see where they want to grow and what is their career aspirant. So given that contextual, what I did, like I have been developed this tool which is going to help a lot to plot your career ladder as a roadmap and see where you want to be and what is your current skill set and where do you want to grow. Right. This AI tool is basically meant to referring to your resume and referring to your LinkedIn profile. It plots out what are the skills that you acquired and what is the skills rating yourself, like 1 to 5. How do you want to rate yourself? Like either 2, 1, or whatever. So this rating should be very much transparent so that you can get the good career ladder move in the next 4 months or 5 months or even for 1 year, right? So given that said, I want to walk you through on the demonstration part of it, and I want to hear you as a feedback and see if there is any improvement ideas comes out in the comment section below, so that I can acquaint all the feedbacks and try to improve the tool further. So given that said, let me walk you through on the demo session, right? So as I said, this is your personalized career intelligence engine. Uh, Launching with the name of EBB. EBB is nothing but Engineering Beyond Blueprint. So this is the dashboard view, what you can see, and there is a text opened up as an AI agent. If you can text the contextual role requirement, it is guide you like what is your aspirant goal and where do you want to go and what are the training sets are required, right? So let me get into different tabs here. So this is we call intelligence scan. So here you have to provide your resume and the LinkedIn profile. And once these 4 steps are completed, it gives you what is your skill set you had and what are skill set is required to upskill yourself for the next role. And here is what we had a skill graph. So it basically tells you existing role and what are the skills are required to grow, right? And this tells you like what is a market intel in the sense like in different geographical location as a staff engineer, what is the expectation, what is the how much percentage of job role is opened up and what is the pay that is paid in different Arizona of countries. Right. Let me get into the intelligence scan. So what we do like here, we will feed in the resume first for the tool to understand, right? So let me give the resume for demo purpose. Okay, that resume is come and uploaded here in this particular portal, right? And go to the LinkedIn URL. So just post the LinkedIn profile link here, right? And come back to the resume again. So your resume is attached here and it's pulling the text from this to here in this text box as a manual override, right? So then this initialize analysis tab will be enabled. So you have to click on this. So basically what it does in the backend, it's pull the data or the skill set from the resume and the skill set from LinkedIn profile, right? So here is what exactly you can see as an intelligence scanner. It has completed the first step and now we are in second step. So as I said, be very transparent when you are feeding you're rating yourself for different skill set, right? So I kind of for demo purpose I will put myself different ratings across so that you can see what is the okay, mental management, change management, And Matrix 1, I'll put 1 because I had very less exposure toward it. And then, yeah, so PMP 4, Prince 2 5, IPMT 4, Global Supply Chain Management 4, with avionics domain DO 254 and DO 170, I put as 2. Right. So you be very honest on ratings of this skill set, right? So then next you have to click the identify the opportunities. So once you click on this identify opportunities, what it does basically it's mapping your skill set and the curriculum across different industry. From the job portal pulls out different roles are existing, active job roles are opened up. So those are the information you can see once this give us an output. So now it is mapping the market opportunities in the sense like active job opportunities across different industry. So now if you see the second step is completed, and in third step you could see what are the roles are opened up, which company and which country and which location. So this is my prime target as a 95% is meeting our requirement or skill set. Likewise, we do have 92%, 89%, and so on. Right. So based on the skills provided, it's plotted rate of percentage job opportunities are available or matching to the job opportunities with the existing curriculum. Right. So after this third step, what we do, like we will go to the synthesize North Star strategy. So what does mean? Like as a next aspirant role, it is suggest you like what could be your aspirant role and where you should be heading towards. So moment if you click on this, it is running in the back end to understand what are the next role that you are aspiring to and what are the skills required to get that position in the career life, right, in the companies basically. So that is exactly doing in the backend as an AI intelligence with the provided all the algorithms and the set of functional parameters, right? So as you could see, so as a fourth step, as I said, being an experienced profession, you should have gained this all knowledge, like principal system engineer in avionics acceleration plan. So it gives a 4 weeks plan for you to, as a roadmap to bridge the gap between general project management expertise and specific technical rigor required for principal system engineer role at RTX. RTX means Raytheon, right? So this is a company is looking for this role in the future. The plan prioritized closing the critical skill gap in avionics certification of this, improving the technical tool proficiency, and evaluating strategic architectural capabilities. For that is given a roadmap for 4 weeks in terms of high level domain requirement and what are the skills that you need to acquaint and train up in this first week. And second week, as a technical governance and lifecycle management, you should acquaint all the skills by taking the training and so on. And as a third part of strategy, architectural strategy and system thinking. So we need to acquaint all this different skill set. So likewise for the fourth week strategy as an executive alignment, budgeting and resource strategy, you should acquaint all the different skill set, whatever is being plotted here. So this gives some kind of sense or guide scope for you to, if you are aspiring to grow as a principal system engineer, so these are skills is required to upskill yourself and find a suitable job opportunities, right? So when you click on the again like back to the dashboard, you can see the your current role is staff engineer and North Star goal is like aspirant goal is principal engineer. For that, these are the skills were required, right? And for that, you can see what are the percentage of demand as a role requirement in the different countries, and you can see what is the projected compensation you can expect from the different countries to aspirant for this principal road engineer. All right. So I hope this help a lot for you to understand and build your career life with your own transparent information and skill set. And it's going to be a guide scope for you to improvise yourself and aspirant for the bigger role in the organization and grow in the career life. So with that said, thank you so much for watching. I think this has helped a lot for you. And as a development part of releasing the production version, I do need support from the software developer. Please do put your comment section. I would like to reach out to you separately and see what is it takes for us to bring it in the production environment. Again, don't be kind of hesitate to put a comment and feedback so that I can take your all your valuable feedback to enhance further this tool. So that is going to help a lot for you to build the career life. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.